unbox my newest Birkin with me. Ah! In a size I don't have. He just came in the mail. Let's unbox. Why else we talk? I am so excited for this one. I've literally never, ever been more excited for a bag to come in. I've literally never, ever been more excited for a bag to come in. This is in one of the original colors I wanted that they don't make anymore, that I made my first wish list with. Was a seasonal color that now comes back, but I think only in exotics. I've not seen it in a bag from this year that it came out, 2022. This is a 2022 one. Spoiler, it's not from Hermes. Better spoiler, I rented it. It's a rental. Stay tuned for more about that. But let's unbox, okay? This is gonna be a little long video, so grab a coffee, grab a cocktail, everything like that, okay? Because I'm gonna talk about the process. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique, and today we are doing a Birkin unboxing of the cutest, smallest, littlest, yummiest Birkin. My first one in this size, my first one in this color, and I'm so excited. And not only is it an unboxing, it's a rental. So we're gonna unbox it and talk about it. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? Hey guys. Hey. Long story short, it's resale. It's from this amazing company called Luxe Du Jour. They're a Canadian-based company, resale luxury bags, handbags out of Canada, and they have a location in Irvine as well. And you can, Luxe Du Jour, you can buy bags or rent bags, okay? No hassle, no pre-spend, no nothing like that. You just go and get it. And if you want one, I actually have a discount code. You can use my name, MAYANK, use my code to get a discount on a bag rental or a purchase, okay? And you can rent them. So if you want to get a bag for an event or something like that, and you just want to use it really quickly for a couple of days or a week or 2 weeks or a month or continuously rent it for a while, it's like Bag Barstool, all those places, but with Birkins and Kellys and all your other bags too, your Chanels and everything like that. But obviously I had to get a Birkin and I wanted to show you guys because duh. But you can rent it and they have different payment periods. So you can pay a 7-day rate, a 14-day rate, I think, or 15-day rate, and a 30-day rate, something like that. I picked 14. I'm gonna have it for 2 weeks. I'm gonna use it for 2 events that I have coming up, which I will obviously take you to. And I really wanted to get it in this color because this is the color. You guys know me, this is the first color I wanted, and this color has been so close to my heart. And I was not able to get it from the store, and they don't make it anymore from the store, like I said, in this color. So I had to get it from here. Oh. It comes in a little LuxeDuJour dust bag. If you buy it, it'll have the full set, I believe, like the box and everything like that. But if you want to rent it, oh my God, you guys, are you ready? It is a Birkin 25 in the color chai, which if you know me, you know I love chai. Not just because I'm Indian, although that is part of it, but my dog's name is Chai. And I felt like it was a sign because the Hermes color code for it is OM, which is Om, which is also again Indian. So maybe it's an Indian thing. But anyway, it was this most beautiful color. It was the color of the season in 2022. You could, like, everyone wanted one. I believe they only make it at exotics now. I've only seen it in exotics now, coming out in new bags, but this is from 2022. They have new ones for purchase, but they also rent other ones that are not in like completely perfect condition. So it's got a little bit of wear on it, I believe, but it's still got the plastic and stickers intact. I mean, it looks perfect. I'm gonna wear it to 2 parties, one tomorrow. Oh. It's like a little toy. And I don't have anything in a 25. I mean, it is very small, but I think a 25 is perfect for like an evening event type thing, right? They just put a Cellier one on, which I was really upset that I didn't see that because I would have wanted that, like a 25 Cellier, because, you know, it's a little more formal. And also they don't make Cellier anymore. Maybe I'll get that next. And they also have mini Kellys. They have everything. It's really, really great. I'm really excited. Oh, it smells so new and so fresh. That's what it looks like. Ah. Let me know if you want to know more about the service, and I'm happy to tell you. But, yay. I can't wait. Are you kidding? Are you joking? Hello, my new friend. Wait, hold on. This is the only thing I was ever able to get my hands on in the chai color, which is my little notebook. In chai. I wish they made these with gold hardware. They don't, but my little notebook inside my little chai. It actually looks different on each one. Birkin 25, gold hardware, plastic still intact, Togo leather, retourné. Are you joking? Are you joking? Oh my God. Chai, come here, come here. Chai, me chai, come here. I'll tag their info, put all this stuff below. They have a TikTok shop too. You can find them on TikTok. And also I'll put the website and everything like that down below. Go check them out. Let me know if you do in the comments below. I mean, what do you guys think? Okay, I wanted to just short and sweet. You can pay to rent and then you have to keep it in good condition. Obviously there's like insurance, something like that, obviously like any other rental service, but you can pick whatever you want. You can swap out and just pay the monthly or the weekly or whatever the fee is, and you get to use the bag, and then you just send it back and you can swap for a new one. And like normal wear and tear, I believe is okay. Like anything crazy, obviously they have a spa to like redo everything, and if you do any weird damage, then they'll clean it in the spa. Oh. Little baby Birk. Oh, okay. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And I will do another video if you want to know more about this company's service. I love it. I just got it, and they were so kind enough to give me this discount code for you guys, which I wanted to share with you guys. So please use it if you want. Let me know if you do in the comments below. And I can't wait to take Chai out for a spin. Chai. Chai, meet Chai. Like you. You can't go inside it. Come on. Okay. He likes it. Okay. Yay! Ah. Mwah. Okay, come on. Let's go. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies, because I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye.